Palitan lang kayo. Let's. Pag tao, gawin muna tayo.
Kung kaninong side yung
Tapos,
pinapagawa nyo mag-screen.
Okay, tingin kayo sa point guard. Point guard, tingin ka sa akin. Para magsisenya sa kung 3 down or 4 out. Ha? Let's begin sa Jesus!
Nagalas sa pasalong Kagawad Joe Nagalas ng Parabisan ng City. At si Jay naman si Kagawad sa Miller, kasama pa rin po natin po. Officers, members, kasama po natin for the third quarter of the game. Mga kukurang sa lahat ito. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy po pag-ibay ang ating boss. Pinakalan tayo. Hindi na po inaawag ng mga pitch. Ganito po ang mga kabayan. At tuloy po ang third quarter of the game. Mga po, dito sa ating third quarter. On the ball super test, right? Kung pinali ng passes zone, but it's Steve covers the shift. And we're going to bet on the rebound. And this is the third quarter of the game. And with Bitancor sa press zone, and like in the pass range of number 4. Hindi ka hindi na bakbakan ito. Nalito na bakbakan. At may po bakbakan na dito, like in the third quarter of the game. And the time remaining, 9 minutes and 26 seconds ang oras. And official score 46-40. At dito sa ating dito po sa ating winning third quarter of the game. At winning at number 73 rather. Michael Jackson, no. Number 16 still. At Victor on the rebound at Maps. At this is the third quarter. This is the third quarter of the game. At number 4, with 14. And he's taking right in the doctor. Jackson! At number 18, back to the 3-point shot. At Victor Maps. At then this is on the ball game. At number 14, Bitancor. Before the play is still. Before Johnson. Mabayson, on the play, no, still. The Bitancor, rather. And Bitancor for the back, and rather, malapasok ang tingin doon. At dito again, this is the play, the time away, 8 minutes, 35. Super back to the game. At this is winning for the third quarter of the game. 8 minutes. And 30 seconds, 15 to shoot, para sa shot clock. Bustos, the Bulldozer. And Bustos. Today, Bustos. Steve, from our distance. That is something Bustos. Yes, sir. Then, this is the best of all the flash, all the blocking. Ito sa'yo, Bitancor. Harap na mapapasahan. Like it with Bustos the Bulldozer, like it Talavera to the drop. Yes, sir! Then Bustos Talavera to the fourth for the bag to damage. It's like it was the third quarter or the first third five. If you didn't see, Bulldozer hurt in the pass rate. See that 30. Oh, play. Tap for the number 4. The TV. Zero. What is it? Bring it back. 30. Press. In the time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Still may kasama po foul. It is still the bonus shot. At Bitancor. At number 13, the first personal foul. At we need the first foul para sa Pops. With the time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds at the third quarter of the game. Get back to the ball game. And this is a number 4. to the steal for our boy and time remaining 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Seal! Dito on the three-point shot. At Victor Bobby, nagkapapasok pa rin pero kung Victor Adams at the third quarter of the game. 7 minutes and 16 seconds ang oras, the third quarter. Calavera, like the power to the power. Yes! We back to the ball game. With the series match of the play, within the number 4. Walker Price, see the corner, with time remaining, and 30 to shoot. And to the tower, yes! Siya, pangalang sa kuya. At the last of the play, at now the line is set. Hitting number 4 to the back wall. Then it comes back to all the game. This is in the first and the third quarter of the game. With the time remaining, 6 minutes and 40. This is the third quarter. Double defense. Bustos. Double tosser. Steal ang bumangga. Give up. Like it was the teammate. Steal for 4-5 to shoot. With the substitution, it has 24 seconds to shoot. At nagbabalik at number 16. Then back to the ball game. The official score is 55-59. 46-59. Have it. Instead of the triple shot. Number 2. Tela. At Angeles. Masaya out. And Pambratas. And this bumabalik sa fourth quarter. By the time remaining 16 seconds. And official score 55-46. 55-46. But we didn't become word at number 4. What happened? But they still become word of basket. That the Victor team now is still. A couple of plays, simple grab. The white team. Attack kaliwa. The simple triple shot. Yes! That's the same. Three-point. Slow. Now it's the streak with the triple shot. The creative pista. Naganap na matapasahan. Double defense mula sa back. The choker. Step for recovery. Pista low. Quick for rebound. At number 71. Like the triple shot. Chopper. Low. He did a follow for a zero. On a follow for the power to the power. Steal it, zero. There's a timeout. Timeout. Tiana.
Score, 64
Last long point guard.
What's up?
At quarter of the game,
Tignan natin.
sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan.
Kasa, Roswin,
Maraming
Roswin, Vince,
hindi pa
Bigay.
ang nahuli.
Ang na-open yan, Bigay.
Na
Sabay, Downstream, Chat, Sean, pagbigay mo, wag mo na, relax ka lang. Time mo to, screen.
Sa ating bayan at sa ating mga kabataan. Upang makilala po, hindi lamang sa Rizal, pati sa buong Pilipinas. At babalik tayo mga kababayan at mayroon din tayo mga kababayan na nandiyan na rin sa National League. At hindi po na varsity players and other intercommercial on the ball. Hindi lang sa basketball, hindi sa volleyball and other sports. Nakakilala ang bayan pa lang. Balik po tayo mga kababayan. At dito po sa ating third quarter, Bob Mateo. Excuse you, Pep Mateo for the game. At wait for the triple shot, kitang ko. At walang pasok yung Preston para sa Tiaman. May ikot na lang. At super. At we put a place seat na kalipigada para kay Zero. Si 17, like the Joker, Vanguardia. Ganap at dito nahirapan. Super back, balik dito kay Mateo. Jump for the triple shot. Yes! Mateo! 3 points si Mateo. At tumabante, marangkado ng triple shot. Para kay Mateo. And the first lead with 55 seconds sa oras. Dahil to the CC. Wow! Super back. Still, may kasama pang foul, sumabit para kay Bitancor. At hindi for the game. It's a third personal foul. First foul para sa Mavs. With the time remaining 4 minutes and 53 seconds of oras. And official score 66. 62. 56. At before the ball game, at kabalan po natin mga kababayan. At number 16, number 0. Bullet number 15. Back to shoot, pass, shot, steal, on the play, we go on the power to the power. Official score. 66-52 po, ang nakabayan, 66-52. At lumalang naman ba, 66-52 po. At before all the ball, there's a foul there. Third personal foul there. First foul. There's 0-0. At pagpabalik para sa third quarter. By the time remaining 4 minutes and 33 seconds of ours. And official score 52. At dito sa lahat ng mga ating mga team. At bibigyan sa kaya sa nagsulog po ng mundo. At ang ating Pilipinas sa KYT, OKT, KG, at Tierra. Happy viewing po sa kanila dyan. At join na po sa panonood. Like Vanguardia the Joker. This is Vanguardia the Joker. At with 4 minutes and 17 seconds of oras. This is our play. Pabalik po tayo ng kabayan. Fernandez. Attack 14, Bitancor, stress through. Victor Riva. Stephen Valley, the attack of Mavs. Okay, Super Valley. Super Valley. Sixer. It's got to go out of the triple shot. There's a foul. Let's begin the line of five. Guarding for Andre Riva. Second foul, Tierra. Guarding for Bradley on the one. At second foul, also Tierra. Terkalitan for Tierra. Ang pagkakap. At hindi nakatapakan. At nakatapakan sa samahan. Nakatapakan sa samahan. Break number 2. Triple. The swing with number 4. All on the rise. The 6 and 3-point shot. Like Mavs. The Jersey. Still. That will reverse last to the time remaining 3 minutes and 36 seconds of us. And we were on the ball game, official score. And a 69-52. 69-52 po natin score. Back to the ball game at 69-52 with the time remaining 3 minutes and 23 seconds of us. And this is on the third quarter of the game. We put back. There is still Bertona goal. And Bertona play with number 17, Fernandez. Still no basket. Atapin Fernandez. Fernandez is going to Sumabit. If you see Fernandez to the line of foul. And the first personal foul. At the fifth foul, sa team. Nasa position. And back to the ball. And official score 69-62 pa rin. 69-52. 69-52. Ang ating score sa third quarter. Number 69. The 4-3-0. I cannot go. Hindi po for the pass rate. Bitancor for the play. Sia. There is still for the game with number 14. Legend of Paramitan Takuto sa Bitancor. Ito sila. For the time game, the At ibang klase yung pinapakat nila. Ibang event, tono body. At sabi ng iba-ibang galaw, Mr. Nagares, that time. At ito na yun. At we will shot back. See it, we'll go, but not going to work. Ito and witnessing amazing. The superhero. It is super superhero. At for the last, it's number 4. There's a foul. With number 2, Mateo, tinawagan ng foul. Warning or graduate, number 2, Mateo.
Opposite lang tayo. Opposite tayo. Opposite tayo. Opposite tayo.
At babalikan po natin mga kababayan. Oras sa Pilipinas, alas 9, 25 ng gabi. At hindi natin makakalimutan ang pagkakataon nito. Ang pag-iwag Brody at siyempre makakilala natin ang siyempre ang ating hindi sa lahat siguro. Babalikan po natin mga kababayan na nagkakaroon ito sa ating third quarter. Asuway! At para sa third quarter, Asuway. 71, Tapper, Bird! At dito na rin yun. Asuway mo, ang fourth quarter to the third quarter. Number 71, Belmont. 70, Fernandez, still. The for 71, this is the third quarter. The bottom, of course, the third quarter. 76, 54. And the substitution. Vanguardia out. And number 16, Talavera. Nagbabalik para sa ating third quarter. Still at 16, Maragaps. At number 13, to be for 3 at the set up to the left. The third quarter, boom. To 84, Apabo. It is still at the probation at the ball game. Ito na play, Shelback. And at the ball fingers on the play, time to shoot. The ball recovery. But now, with Max, nag-ibabaw doon. Dito, okay, Talavera, napitawan. Number 16, Talavera. And back to the ball game. And 1 minute exactly. 1 minute exactly na po tayo para sa third quarter. It is still 1 minute exactly. Time remaining. It is the time remaining on the third quarter. 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Last 3 seconds. Number 16. But with number 16, Talavera. Time remaining. Last 40 seconds. Last 74. This is the third quarter. Apabo. 77 and 56. Last 25. Official score 77-56. Time remaining. Time remaining is last 20. Last 15 seconds. Last 10. Last 5. Last 1 second. Last 1 second.
Jamos, 5, Cosime, ito, Nico. Si Nico.
Pahinga ako. Hinga po ako sa dive eh.
At muli sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, mga sponsors din natin, sa lahat po naman na nandito ngayon, magandang gabi po at maraming po salamat. At sa inyong malasawang pagsuporta sa ating PLL Club at siyempre marami pa pong susunod na ball game na magaganap po within on the TML and the sponsors. And to God be all the glory. At sa nalang po ng TML at Sir DJ, Sir AJ, and Sir God, Sir Lars. And the TML members, at ikapahan po natin po, Mabuhay Pilipinas, to God be all the glory. Ang ganyan po, ito na namin ang sponsor na po tayo ng kababae. At tapos weekend, Islamic Mass, full for number 16, the last, this is our fourth quarter na po tayo, ang parang day. At babalik tayo sa fourth quarter. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood po sa ating shoutout po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa GB5 TV at Twitch Okoy TV. At tayo on the ball game, the number 16. At this is Talavera for on the ball game. At this is the class. Number 71. At hindi po na number 60. Dito the class number 60 here to call Peters. At dito the TML. At tayo on the play short. Ay Mateo. At hindi po na rebound. At the system Tabuton. It will be Star using the last two. At within 48. Nine gas. At all the rush. Ray on the side, Ray! Steve Mateo. Babayson at number 12. Libre para sa kaliwa. Babayson. At Babayson. At there's a timeout. Mouse. Teromina.
Hayaan mo lang sila. Nick, kahit makalimutin na yung bola kasi screen. Ikaw yung screen Pag nabasa kay Nico, still huwag kayong gagalaw. Huwag kayong gagalaw kung nabasa mo. Huwag kayong gagalaw, hayaan mong magbuhat ng okay, pag wala, basa lang dito, nakakalimutan na ito. Dumang screen.
Dahil ito sa ating fourth quarter, oras po natin. Siyam na minuto at 5 segundo ang titira po natin. At ang ating official score 77-62. At dito sa ating 77-62 at the fourth quarter po tayo mga kababayan. At within the fourth quarter of the game. At this is on the fourth quarter. And time remaining 5 seconds of the fourth quarter. Kasi ito dahil ito ayaw mo papasok ng TLI. That's number 13. We did it before on the ball game. It is still number 12. Ito na follow play, no basket. It's like the version of the two. Ito na pasok doon. Like it's number 4. Super hero ng basket. Wala ka rin pasok. I go to top of the basket. Yes! There is still the people from the triple set. At with number 71. At number 8, Tabuton para sa 3, short. But this is at bit more on the fourth quarter. By the time remaining, 15 seconds. At number 4, still away. At number 14, the quarterback at number 4, Topper Dole. At number 16, Talavera. Then the player for the middle back in the basket, this time. At this time, ito on the chat. Yes! 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Then official score. At number 13. At number 4. Dito pa kote. Nakita ka niya na pisong ikot. Malapasok ang pinagay. Ay, it's still Tamundong. Ito yung si Lucio Black. Magapalong team. Wala pa rin. Super follow team. Still basket. At balik at number 4. The Calvers. With the time again. 7 minutes and 26 seconds. With the substitution. Tayo out. At dito nagkabalik para sa score quarter. 7 minutes and 26 seconds sa oras. Kahit ang sakto. Yes, sir! Number 4, 3 goal with all for France. It is still to our back. An official score. It is still to start the ball game. In the substitution. 83-64 ang ating score. At Galang nagpapalik para sa fourth quarter. Nagpahinga po. Nagpapahinga naman sa fourth quarter si Tamundong. But still, waiting for the number 4. One of superhero ng box. Or 3 or 7. Pinagita ka natin. At going time away. 7 and 5 seconds to run. So the fourth quarter to game. At going to number 20. With the topper. Yes, sir. Number 20. Wait for Price. 3 good. It is still 2.3. It is still 2.3. By the time of it, 7-8. Exactly. Get back to the ball game at number 1. D-back, go. If you did for on the rebound. This is on the fourth quarter of the game with number 4. Super Robert, yes, sir. This is the fourth quarter, 16-4. The fourth quarter of the game. It is still at Galax at 3, no. But this is the fourth quarter of the ball. It is still at 28 points. And the substitution. Sige po, asus na po. At number 30, number 00. And back to the ball game. And Mission scored 86-64 and time remaining 6 minutes and 26 seconds. That this is on the third quarter of the game. At wala po mga kababayan ay narito na po. At beginning on the box. At number 20. At number 16. Let me deal with his number 16. His number 16. To get the double on the way. 71 for the double. Yes, sir! It's a son of a foul. And it's still there's number 8, there's a foul at number 71. Playing the ball is set. Babalik po tayo para po sa ating beat of on the fourth quarter of the game, 16 and 14 seconds of us. The technical course is 3-point shot goal. It is still bring it all on the match. And what is number 60 and 0. And the guy winning 63 takes something to take the shoot out of Wagner. 71. The first foul. Let the one the first foul. The second person of all, the substitution, number 18, Paseo Capoli, para sa third quarter. The second to foul, the first person of foul, thank you for the PSO. Sama natin yung Public Safety Action Office. At happy new kay Tagalog. Edo Binanisa. Ang karagay naman po. Gantin naman po. At happy new po sa mga Tagalog po. At balik po tayo mga kababayan. 5 minutes and 56 seconds. At 79. At conclusion, kasama pa rin naman ng mga Tagalog ng Greg, Sorry, Mark, Sreda, Tagalog Jake, Tagalog Alan, and Company. Happy new po sa kanila dyan. Naging pinapos yung third quarter, laban ng Bucks and the Sierra dito sa kapatagalan. At lakas sa ating mga players. Official time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds dito po sa ating fourth quarter. On the 8th quarter na po tayo mga kababayan. At tatapos na laban, matira na po ba? Babat sa laro. Bayan ng Superstar. There is still sa tres, no. But today, the quarterback number 14. A pin for the jumper. Yes, sir! Aseo, 3-point. Aseo, pupunta na ng press. Dito sa ating fourth quarter. 5 minutes and 25 seconds sa oras. It is the fourth quarter of the game. Number 6 here. The fourth play short. Power play. Yes, sir! Official score 95-67. And it is quarterback with number 13 of the shot. It is still Aseo. 3-point. Pangalawang 3 para kay Aseo. Yung left at like the right Aseo. At dalawang res sa pinamagandang ito para sa fourth quarter. This is for fourth quarter by Aseo. At pagbibigay ng buhay. At pitawag naman ang traffic violation. At Pinabalik ka, bumabalik para sa fourth quarter of the game. Yes, mag-ingat. 2-3-4-7 pinabalik ng dito. At bibigyan ng official score para po sa ating fourth quarter. Bitangkor. This is Bitangkor na ganun na mapapasahan. At defense para sa box. Naghahanap ng libre. Pwesto. At Aseo, nilibre na naman. At medyo nagkaroon problema doon. At medyo naman para sa daan. Mabilis sa kabate. Sa kanila. Ito naman sa kanan. Steve, lipat sa ilalim. Steve, amazing. Yung pagkakataon yung gusto sinapakita. Out of the ball, Steve, on the ball. Alam nila kung ano yung mga bawat laro na kanilang kasama sa court. Steve, the time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Remaining on the fourth quarter. Bitangkor. Steve for all the back. Ipitawag naman ang Wilson. At number 0, tinawagan ng foul. Second personal foul. First foul para sa Bucks. At instead of substitution. At we need it. There is substitution. Magbabalik. At 71 out. At number 4, bumabalik sa fourth quarter. Time remaining 4 minutes and 24 seconds sa oras. And official score at 92 at 70. At pili for a game steal. Magbabalik at number 4. This is the fourth quarter of the game. Balang Pilipinas. Sa ating fourth quarter. Pinagawang game. Sino nakakos sa laban. Pili for a game. This is the game. Pagkaplay. Sino Riker. Out to serve the Sipos Sidak. Nagkaya ka ng ball. Nagkaya ka ng babayan. Number 4. Crossing side of the play. Pass sa kanila. Para! Eto! Sila talaga nila yung sabi nga natin yung laro. At kanilitaan. At hindi na nalagyan nila kung paano sa out-contest o bola. With time remaining 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ang bakbakan na po dito sa fourth quarter. That's all my Vanguardia. Sa kabilang sa bola. 94-10. Sipol gathering ito on the deck. Tawag naman ang foul. Warning for graduate number 4 for the substitution. Vanguardia, the joker out. Second team foul, Bob. Warning for graduate number 4. Second team foul, Bob. Then is still for the substitution. At on the back, at nagbabalik ang number 13. Magpahinga si number 16. At Bitangkor sa ating free room. First row. At with the legend, with the star player, Barangay Tandang Pucho. That we did with for Team Kamay. And the time remaining, 3 minutes and 31 seconds. This is at the middle of the fourth quarter of the game. At we did for the ball. At nabalik tayo mga babayan. Para po sa ating fourth quarter, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. At po tayo mga babayan. At first na timeout. Timeout, Bobs.
At yung speaking out, follow po natin
Balik po tayo mga babayan para po sa ating with the fourth quarter. With the time remaining, 3 minutes and 21 seconds of oras at the fourth quarter of the ball game. Official score po natin, 99-72 na po ang ating score. At we did it number 4. This is the number 4 play. 3-minute clock. This is the fourth quarter. This is the number 2. Very time, 3-minute 6. We go here. Yes, sir. Foul. Then, for the another foul. First personal foul, Villarreal. Second foul, Iana. Very time again. This is Hurricane. Activate for base, Stella. This is the 2 minutes and 58 seconds of us. That we go on the ball game. Activate for the fourth quarter. Number 4. With the double features. And going back, para dito. Sa pagkakos sa fourth quarter. Sino na ako sa habang rapid na matibay. Babat sa. For the Bayern Superstar. Send back to shoot the shot. 34 seconds shot. Then back to the ball with 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Official score 102 at 72. At good for a frequent shot. But now for the shot, yes sir. The 2-step for the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds. At number 4. 2 minutes and 50. 10 to shoot. And still to the mercy, number 4. 104-74. This is on the fourth quarter. Last 2 minutes. With the time remaining 1 minute and 55 seconds for the fourth quarter. To the city fourth quarter at the minute with number 30. Never to down play, right on the jumper. No. Then to that board, to number 40. Never to on the back. Batang gitna, ito. Using the glass para kay Bitangkor. With the time remaining in 1 minute and 35 seconds at the fourth quarter. 50 to shoot, pass the shot back. Then it's in the number 2. The ball to the city, the ball to the right back. Yes, sir. The news to us. And this is nice assist. Ito magandang puntos para sa ilalim. Ito pagleso for the play. Send back. Number 4. Hey! Yes, sir! Foul away. 1-14. This is the fourth quarter. It is still going fourth quarter at the game. And the time remaining for the fourth quarter. 15 seconds. Finish. Last 57 seconds. And the time remaining last 55. Last 50. Time remaining last 45. Still number 44 Baldwin. Last 14 seconds. Yan, this is second on the ball game. At yun, at susunod ulit pagkikita po sa ating ranking.
Crazy,
guys, maraming salamat ulit kay Sir Ongkoy, kay Sir Michael Jan, Obregon, and sa lahat ng mga taga-Tanay. Maraming salamat. And sa mga interested po na invite yung Mavs sa Dayo, message nyo lang ako 0945-729-3140. And if ever hindi man Dayo yung gusto nyo mangyari sa lugar nyo, let's say training camp, message nyo pa rin ako kasi asikasuhin natin yan. Let's go!
Thank you, Jesus. Always.